take the idea but write it in your own words. This is how thing works. Okay, there are some exceptions. For example, if there is some numerical value in my research work, you can put those numerical values, those results as it is in available in my paper, but the text you need to write by your own. For example, you cannot take chunks from my work and just put it there in your work, because this is not the right way and you are doing something against the law and you must get punished. So this is called plagiarism. So I hope it is clear that if you take full sentences from published work, from online available work, and you just use it in your own documents, you just use it in your public articles, your publications, or in your thesis. So this is called plagiarism. It's very, very clear. Okay, so now I hope that plagiarism is clear. For example, if you take again this one and this one, and you just use it in your own words, this is called plagiarism. Now, how to avoid plagiarism? How many ways are there to avoid plagiarism? So there are 3 ways. Number one is just change, for example, change the structure of the sentence. This is one of the way how to avoid plagiarism. Change the structure of the sentence. This is the first one. Now, how to change the structure of the sentence? This means that use passive voice instead of active voice, and use active voice instead of passive voice. The one like here, I use that photoanode or working electrode play vital role in dye-sensitized solar cell, because it is not only support the dye molecule but also accept the transport photo-induced electrons. Let me write this sentence. How you can write this sentence here? You see, you can write this, that working electrode play bifunctional role. That is to say, it provide support for the dye molecules and also provide the path for photo generated electrons. So you see, this is called change the structure, and you can also call this rephrase this sentence. Very nice. This is we call rephrase. You write by your own word. So I can easily write here, working electrode play dual role in dye-sensitized solar cell. That is to say, it provides path for photo generated electrons and also support dye molecule. You see, now there is nothing plagiarism. Now you see, photounit or working electrode play vital role in dye-sensitized solar cell, because it is not only support the dye molecule but also accept the and transport photo. The meaning, the function, the purpose is there. The main thing are there, but I just change the structure of the sentence. I rephrase. Working electrode plays dual role in dye-sensitized solar cell. That is to say, it provides path for photo-generated electrons and also support dye molecules. You see, this is very interesting. So this is one way how to avoid plagiarism. Number second is use synonyms. Use synonyms. Synonyms mean words having similar meaning. Okay, I am not writing because it's going to be very lengthy video. This is called use synonyms. This is very interesting. This is another way here. For example, I write here that it provide it because it accept and transport proto-genetically trans, and for example it play vital role. So instead of vital you need to write important. So use synonym, instead of write you need to important. And these are the kind of thing. And support, you can also change this other thing, you can also say. So this is, for example, this is the photo unit must possess, must have the following characteristic. Features mean characteristics. This is use synonyms. So basically I say this is rephrase this sentence. And the third one is active change to passive voice. Passive. This is the three ways. So using these three approaches, using these three techniques, you can easily avoid plagiarisms, and you will become a good writer with the passage of times when you command on these three things. So in this video I completely explain what is plagiarism and how to avoid plagiarism. Thanks for watching.